Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix app not compatible with OS version. If Chase Mobile says it's not compatible, your phone OS is the problem, not the app. So first of all, head over to your app settings app and then click on your name in the app. After that, see if you have to do any updates and check if there are updates available. If there are, make sure to update your iOS or Android to the latest version. Then restart your device. Try again from your app store or Play Store. Open your app store, then click on your profile picture and then see update all the apps that are left to be updated. After that, if still blocks, use chase.com from your browser. Full banking works. Tip: beta OS version often break Chase compatibility. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.